Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Sandhya Bajaj, CEO and founder of Sandhya Bajaj Academy of Personal Excellence. And on this channel, you'll get to watch videos on Vedic Maths and memory techniques uploaded every single week. I'm sure you'll agree with me, math is a scoring subject and one simply can't ignore math. It can't be better than Vedic math tricks which make math simple, easy, interesting and exciting. Why calculate on fingers or for that matter use a calculator when one can make use of tricks to make it faster and simpler? Not only that, to top it all, we have memory techniques which help you to retain and recall information in a matter of seconds, be it random words, speed numbers, or for that matter, long answers, definitions, everything can be done effortlessly. And we know that it's all about success stories and interviews with experts where you basically get those fine tricks that can help you to take things to the next level. So if this sounds interesting and exciting, I invite you to be a part of my journey by simply clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any single video. Let's together redefine learning and take things to the next level. Thanks for watching. See you there. See you inside.